China's xylooligosaccharide industry has seen rapid growth, driven by increasing global demand for this health-boosting ingredient. Yibin Yatai Biotechnology Co. Limited stands out with its high-purity xylooligosaccharide powder, meeting food-grade standards. Their advanced enzymatic production technology ensures consistent, high-quality XOS products. Yatai's XOS boasts a purity of greater than or equal to 95% and is available in both powder and liquid forms. Holding certifications like ISO 9001 and HACCP, Yatai guarantees quality and safety. Henan Heagreen Bio-Technology Co. Limited uses corncob as a raw material, promoting sustainability. Their XOS powder, with 95% purity, is perfect for food and nutraceutical applications. Heagreen's strict quality control measures ensure consistent product quality. Shandong Longlive Bio-Technology Co. Limited offers XOS with concentrations ranging from 35% to 95%. Their advanced enzymatic hydrolysis technology ensures high yields and consistent quality. Longlive's products are recognized globally, exported to Asia, Europe, and North America. Shandong Longlive Bio-Biotech Co. Limited specializes in high-quality XOS for food and nutraceutical industries. Their advanced enzymatic technology allows efficient XOS extraction from corncob. Longliv's XOS products are widely used in functional foods and dietary supplements. BSH Ingredients Co. Limited offers a 95% pure xylooligosaccharide powder with excellent prebiotic properties. Their state-of-the-art facility ensures consistent product quality and purity. Jiangsu Kangwei Biologic Co. Limited provides 95% pure XOS, certified organic and non-GMO. Their eco-friendly production processes use renewable raw materials. Baolingbao Biology Co. Limited produces XOS powders and syrups with purity levels from 35% to 95%. Their commitment to innovation keeps them at the forefront of the XOS market. Quantum High-Tech's XOS 95 powder meets EU, US, and Chinese food regulations. Their advanced enzymatic hydrolysis technology ensures consistent quality. Shandong Sanyuan Biotechnology Co. Limited produces high-quality XOS from corncob, certified organic and non-GMO. Their substantial output meets large-scale demands globally. Yucheng Biotech Co. Limited offers XOS in powder and syrup forms, suitable for various food applications. Their advanced production technology ensures stringent quality control. When choosing a manufacturer, consider their quality standards, production capacity, and certifications. Look for certifications like ISO 9001, HACCP, and FSSC 22000 to ensure quality and safety. China's xylooligosaccharide market is projected to grow at a CAGR of 7.5% from 2024 to 2029. Emerging technologies like enzymatic hydrolysis and nanotechnology are revolutionizing XOS production. Stay ahead in the market by partnering with top XOS manufacturers in China, ensuring quality and innovation. Contact BSH Ingredients via email at info@bshingredients.com to get a bulk quote now.